Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue Bandit series on the over-the-wire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 18. Here is the description for this level. The two files in the home directory, passwords old and passwords new. The password for the next level is in passwords new, and it's only line that has been changed between passwords old and passwords new. So I think to get or to retrieve the password for the next level, we can utilize the command diff. Diff command can give us a change between different files. But beyond this, I more like to showcase how to use Python to code program to find such difference or to find such a change. Before we go ahead, however, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to SSH to the target. And let me auto-complete this command. As before, I specify the current username and followed by the host name. And also, I explicitly specify this port number because this port number 22220 is not default port by SSH service. So then we can hit enter on the keyboard. And we can supply the password for the current user. Let's press enter. Okay, so now we are in the target machine. And we can press keys Control, Shift, and L at the same time to get big space on the screen. Okay, and next we can run command ls as before, or personally I will use option of ALH, so this can display directory content with such options. The all including the hidden directories and the files. L here means long list, and also the H human readable file size format. So now we can press enter, and I think we can find these two files what we were talking about previously. Okay, so I think we need to find the change between this one and this one, and this is very easy. We can use built-in Linux command diff and followed by the two files like passwords old and passwords new. Okay, press enter. So this one, this angled bracket means this line has been removed from the old one, and this one means, the right angled bracket means this line has been added into the new file. Okay, very easy. So then we can get the password for the next level. But just I mentioned at the very beginning of this video, I more like to demonstrate how to use Python to code program for this purpose. Okay, so how to do? I've already opened up the editor of PyCharm, and we can new file, Python file. We can use the name or use any name, find diff difference, and let's press enter. And the module I'd like to import would be sys module. This module can help us to control the flow of a program and also can handle users' arguments, okay, specified by the user. And we can, first of all, we can have the condition if or if statement, if len, sys a guide. This one, this variable is actually a list. And so if the length of this list is less than 3, it means that the user didn't specify properly this program. So we can print usage. or the help usage and current working directory. And the first element in this list would be the program or file name itself, and the old file and the new file. Okay, and this guide, the first element is the file name, and then we can exit from the program. And if user specifies the arguments properly, and we can use the variable like old file to be to be sys again. The second element in this list, new file, would be third one. Okay, so now very easy, I think. So first of all, we can open up the new file, and with read-only mode, and the handler would be, you can use any variable name for this handler, and then we can retrieve line one by one. Okay, line one in read lines method. Okay. Sorry, I think maybe it's okay. And we can define the flag. Flag is false. We want to use the flag to check whether, for each line one from the new file can find the uh, same line in the old file. Okay, if not, and the flag would remain false. Okay, so now we can open up old file, and also with read only mode as G. We can use different variable name, and for line 2 in G, dot operator read lines, and then we can make another condition, the second condition in this code. If line 1 strip is equals to line 2, it means that we have already found the same line in the older file for this line. Okay, so this is called nested loop. Okay, and so then we can flag is set to true. Okay, and then we can break because we do not need to continue this internal loop. And if flag remains false, flag, and then it means that we have already found the difference, so we can print found difference, and we can print out the line 1. Okay, so I think that's it. We can save the program, and we can copy. Sorry, I think it's time out. No, don't. It doesn't matter. We can copy the password from my notebook, and then we can paste in here, and we can go to the temp directory, and we need to create temp directory for our job. Okay, sorry, not we can use temp directory, so we'll use the random name for this directory, and we can go inside this directory because we want to create the Python file in this directory. We can test, and what I'm doing, sorry, we can rename move test. I forgot to nothing here. It's okay. So .py, and we can copy this code. We can copy entire code from PyCharm, and then we can paste in here. Now we can write and quit, and then we can run Python 3 because Bandit server just has Python 3 installed test. And if you didn't specify the files, and then we can give us the usage, and we can access the password old and passwords new. Press enter. As you can see, we can find the same passwords. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.